I'm really sorry, guys. Due to some technical issue, we have logged out.
So guys, are you back? Yeah, good to see you all. There was some technical issue. Okay, it's fixed. Let's move on. Okay, where were we? So clear about recliner. Okay, any questions till now? Okay, apart from this, let's have a look where this is. This recliner is exactly getting welded. Okay, so this recliner, so they are showing two recliners here. Okay, let's have a look at this. Okay, if you see here, so this is a structure. Okay, this is without foam, so this is a structure. In this structure, this is back. Okay, this is fully folded, flat position. So this seat is completely flatly folded. Okay, position. Okay, now let's
Sir,
see,
I'm
this is the
sorry to
back.
interrupt, sir.
Okay, and
Excuse me,
this
sir.
is the HR, and this is known as HR bezel.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, you stopped your presentation, sir. We can't see your presentation. I'm sorry to interrupt for that.
Guys, can you see my screen?
No, we can't, sir.
Guys, can you see my screen?
Yes, yes, sir. We can see now.
You can message me, please. I don't see any response from your side, so I doubt. Guys, okay, okay. I have some message. I can't hear your response actually. I don't know whether if you are responding or not. Okay, good. Okay, so I got a response saying that yes. Okay, okay, great. Okay, guys. So let's. So this is the structure back. Okay, and you can see this portion is the recliner portion. Okay, so the one part of the recliner, the upper bracket, this upper bracket will be welded on the back side member. This is known as side member for back. Okay, and this is, we can say, if it is a left hand drive, this is left hand side member, this is right hand side member, and this is cross member, upper cross member, and this is lower cross member. Okay, those are the parts. So it consists of 4 parts, and the complete back is consists of upper cross member, that is this part, lower cross member. Okay, let me just okay, this portion is known as completely side member. Okay, and this is upper cross member, RH, side member RH, and lower cross member. Okay, and coming to the cushion, this is known as, this complete thing is cushion panel. Okay, we can say this is cushion panel, and here you can see one bracket which is known as side member. So this cushion panel will be welded or bolted here, okay, to the side member, and this is left hand side member and the right hand side member. Okay, and this is belt buckle, this is belt buckle. Pretensioner, we saw in yesterday's video what exactly is the pretensioner and why, how it works. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know.
Sir,
And
we are
this
unable
is
to
the
see the
track.
screen, sir.
Okay, we have track assembly. Again, we are not going to design the track assembly. This track is also a bought out part, or we will have a supplier who is going to provide us track. If you are a track design engineer, and then you are going to design work on the track also, but mostly if you are designing on seat or a car or some kind of parts which are related to this body or interiors, then track, for most of the parts there will be suppliers who will be designing and supplying you. Okay, so this part will be bought out and you are going to integrate it. Okay, this track will be directly mounted on the BIW. Yesterday I used this word BIW, body in white. Okay, so why it is known as body in white? Because before going to painting, the whole car body will be painted white. Okay, that will be in white color. So that's the reason, and in that stage only all these fittings will be done. Okay, so after that painting, immediately all these fittings will be done. That's the reason they call it as body in white. Okay, so please remember that when I say BIW, then remember that it's the body. uh, the seat will be directly mounted on the body. Okay, floor of the, this will be attached to the floor of the car. Okay, so you can see here, this is the front brackets. Okay, front mounting brackets and rear mounting brackets. Here also you can see, based on the shape of the floor, car floor, you have to design these mounting brackets also. Okay, I'll show you clearly in this image. Just have a look and just for a rough idea. Okay, okay, let's go back
Sir, the
to
screen is
our,
stuck, sir.
okay, we were here, so we have completed this. So recliner we discussed about. Okay, you're clear about recliner. And what is adapter plate, I'll show you. Okay, track assembly we just discussed. What is track assembly? We are not going to design the track assembly. It's a bought out part. Again, supplier is going to supply us that part. But in case of any modifications in the track, you are going to cut short the track if it is required. Okay, why we are going to cut short? How designing happens, that already the cycle I already explained you. uh, Sometimes you have to use the data from previous project. Okay, if the car seat is the seat which you are going to design now is matching with the previous seat, if some parts are matching, then what they are going to do, these they borrow those parts from some other uh, project. Okay, they take for example, they take some track, one track is carry forwarded from another project which has a length of 250 millimeters. Okay, and for our present scenario, we need only 225 millimeters. In that case, what we are going to do, we have to cut short the track. In that case only, we are going to modify the track. Okay, we are only working on the modifications of the track, kind of cutting the track. Okay, we cannot extend the track, but we can cut the track. Okay, and if we want more changes, then we have to again go for a new track, because we cannot cut complete track, or we cannot extend the track, or we cannot make holes in the tracks, which is going to weaken the track itself. The track is very important part in the seat, as it takes whole load. The whole seat load will be applied. Okay, the load flows through this track. So that's the reason the track should be very strong. Okay. Okay, and then height adjustment assembly, this I'm going to show you. Okay, next, floor mounting brackets. We just discussed about floor mounting brackets. This is completely our responsibility. We have to design it, floor mounting brackets. Okay, you can expect different shapes and different sizes of the floor mounting brackets, and they're very important, as the load, it is in the load path. Okay, what is load path? So when some accident happens, or something happens, then the load, it flows through your head restraint. Okay, the jerk or the load suddenly will be applied on the structure, or complete structure, and it flows from head restraint. All these parts are in the load path. Okay, head restraint, and then back, and then recliner. Okay, the same load will flow through the recliner. That's the reason even the recliner should be more robust. Okay, and then it flows through the cushion structure, and then cushion structure, and then uh, adapter plate, and then it goes to, if that is a height adjustment seat. Okay, if the seat is with the height adjustment assembly, then even the height adjustment assembly parts also should be very strong, so that they can withstand this load. Okay, and finally it goes to floor mounting brackets, and then it goes to the floor, that means to the car. So car absorbs all the load finally. So all these parts are in the load path. Okay, remember this word load path. Okay, this is very important interview question. Okay, how is the load path, how load flows, what is the load path in the seat, then you should be able to tell also all these things. So how it flows. Okay, in case of accident, this is how it flows, and all these parts should be very strong and robust, so that they can protect the occupant. Okay, in case of something fails, then occupant, we cannot, we cannot protect the occupant in any failure. Okay, like even the belt is attached to the seat. Okay, so as we discussed yesterday, the third one point is attached to the BIW. Okay, BIW to the B pillar, and then the third point will be attached to the seat itself. Okay, and we discussed also about integrated seat. What is integrated seat? The integrated seat is nothing but the third point of the belt also will be attached to the structure itself, the back itself. So you have to just when you check in some of the cars. Okay, some of the cars you can see that the third point is also attached to the back. Then the seat should be very strong, very robust. Okay, because no flow of this load path. Third point load path is also, instead of this BIW, even seat itself is bearing the third point load path also, load also. So that's the reason the complete seat should be very strong. Okay, so that's about the integrated seating system. Okay, so mounting bracket, SBA bracket. Okay, what is SBA bracket? This is nothing but the seat belt anchorage bracket. Seat belt anchorage bracket. Again, this is also very strong part. It should be very strong. Okay. So give a moment, please. Hello. Hello, guys. I'm really sorry. Something went wrong. Just received a call. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Sir, we can hear you, but can you hear us, sir?
I can hear
Yeah,
you.
sir, I'm hearing you. Tell me.
Yes, yes, I can hear you now. So was there any problem with my screen?
Sir, your presentation is stuck on the slide, on only one slide. That is, it's showing car with automated session 2, like that.
Oh, really?
We can't see present slide,
How
sir.
about now? I'll just share it again. Okay, I'll share it again. I'm stopping now. Hello. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Is that okay now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, thank you, man. I'm really sorry. There was some issue with the network, or I don't know why. Even today, I didn't hear you. That's the reason I was depending on the messages. Okay. Thank you, Joy. Thanks for calling and informing. Okay. Okay. So till where it was clear, please let me know. So are we okay till recliner? Recliner was clear. I explained about recliner. About this recliner.
Yes, sir, it is clear, sir.
It was clear, right? Okay. So now you can see different slides, right? It's changing. It's updating, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, great, great. Okay. Okay, so till recliner we have discussed. Let me tell you, even track assembly is clear, right? You saw the track also, right? Is that clear? Or shall I repeat? Okay, let me repeat then. Okay, I think till here it is clear. Okay, when you discuss about recliner, please have a look at this also. What is forward position, okay, and design position and rearward position. So these positions are locked with the help of recliner. Okay, so at what angle it should be locked, that will be decided and designed by the recliner. Okay, so recliner is designed based on this information. So which recliner is helpful for us, they are going to find out. Okay, there are so many recliners in the market. Okay, in the automotive field, when you see there is a department which designs these recliners and all these mechanisms parts. These are known as parts which are related to mechanisms. Okay, the recliner as well as the track. Okay, and also these HR. Okay, HR bezels. All these things are designed by some different departments which are known as mechanism departments. Okay, and the mechanism department is going to provide you the recliner which is suitable for this project. Okay, the project which you are going to work, and based on the requirements and the input of OEM. Okay, so this is the design position. For example, for this seat, the OEM has given 24 degrees as the design angle. Okay, the seat will be designed in this position. This is the seat design position. Okay, and we should be able to recline it forward. Maybe this is again from this vertical, maybe 10 degrees or 15 degrees ahead. Okay, forward position, and then 24 degrees is fixed position, design position. And then if you want to go rearward, so maybe how much it will be around 35 to 40 degrees. Okay, so that will be defined, and you need to stop this at, for example, 35 degrees is the rearmost position. Okay, rearward position. Then you will have a stop designed in the recliner itself, which will stop the reclining movement. Okay, the angle will be stopped there. So the recliner will stop exactly where you design a stopper. Okay, a stopper will be designed to stop the seat at that angle, 35 degrees. For example, it will be stopped at the exactly at the 35 degrees. Okay. Okay, so HR seat back, this we already discussed. Okay, so guys, have you installed the Catia V5? Still, anyone is facing any problem? While installing, you should not connect to internet. Please remember that. If you connect to internet, you will face some issues, like it's going to ask you license and something. So don't connect to internet and just directly install it offline. So any issues with that, please?
Yes, sir. It is showing to buy the license.
Yeah, that's why you don't connect to internet.
Okay, sir.
Offline, you have to do it. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir.
So the instructions is clearly mentioned in that. You can see on instructions sheet inside that, saying that please do not connect to internet while installing it. Okay.
We have to extract the file, sir.
Yeah, you have to extract the file. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I showed the steps also for extracting. If you .rar is not supporting, if your system is not supporting,
Yes, sir.
then please download this using that process. Okay, I already sent a message yesterday. Okay.
Okay,
Please
sir.
that and follow that. Okay, so this is the adapter plate. What is adapter plate? So this adapter plate is the intermediate part. Okay, so the bottom portion of this bottom portion will be welded or bolted onto the upper track. This is the upper track. You can see here, this is the upper track, and on the top of this side member, cushion side member will be attached here. You can see. So there will be, based on the design and the requirements, the shape of the parts will be different. Okay, you cannot expect same shape of adapter plate for other seats, like you have driver seat, you have passenger seat, and you have rear second row seats. Okay, so you cannot expect same bracket, same kind of bracket. Based on the place availability of the place, and based on the structure, it's going to change. Okay, but if it is coming, if the purpose of this is to connect the cushion frame as well as the lower the upper portion of the track, then that is known as adapter plate. Okay, so remember that. Okay, let's have a look at here where you can see the adapter plate. Yeah, see here you can see the adapter plate. Okay, this is the bottom view. You can say this is the bottom view of that view. You can see this one is the front mounting bracket. Okay, and this is rear mounting bracket, and this is the track. Okay, this is the lower track, and the white one is the upper track. Okay, so this lower track will be completely fixed. This lower track is completely fixed, and this upper track will be sliding. Okay, so and as the seat is attached to the upper track, the seat will be moving along with the upper track. Okay, so that's why we can adjust our to and fro distance, like how much forward you want to move, you can move, and how much rearward you want to move, you can move when you unlock it. Okay, to unlock the track, we have a toggle bar. Okay, we call it as toggle bar, and it will be here. Can you see it here? The seat which is here, you can see at the lower portion, you can see a rod here. Okay, once you sit in this seat, you have to push this rod a little bit up and slide it. Okay, it will be unlocked. Okay, the track will be unlocked, and you can slide it forward or rearward. Okay, you can adjust it. So these are the mounting brackets. Okay, these are the mounting brackets. They also must be very strong. Okay, remember that. Okay, they are also very important parts in the seat. They are also in the load path. Whatever part is in the load path, they must be robust, and they must be designed carefully as per the requirements, because if that fails, whole seat is going to fail. Okay, okay, so this is the height adjuster mechanism. You can see these brackets, you can see. Okay, this is the height adjustment mechanism. Okay, this is 4-bar mechanism. This is known as 4-bar mechanism, and these are the links. Okay, and connections, you can see this is the connecting rod. Okay, these are known as links. Okay, going forward we'll see in detail, but as of now, just for rough idea, have a look at this. Okay, and these are the parts which support the seat to lift it up and down. Okay, okay, so what's the time? It's already 6:30. So okay, guys, any questions in this? Today we discussed about all these important parts. Okay, we also see some Catia today. We'll start Catia also. Okay, because I think a few of you have already installed, and let's have a look at Catia also. Parallelly, we will go parallelly. Okay, I'll explain you about the theory also, as well as we'll start basics of Catia, and then parallelly by the end of this session or this training, you should be able to design in the sense you should be able to at least do a part. Okay, a 3D part, and as well as a drawing. So that is my goal. Actually, I will make you to do that definitely. Okay, It's very short time for us, but let's see, let's work hard, and it's not very difficult to do that. Okay, so by the end of this, you'll have knowledge of seating systems. Okay, one domain you are going to learn. Okay, maybe the outlines of this. What we are discussing are the outlines of this, and then a tool, a good idea on the tool also, and also how this tool is used. Okay, so that you'll get a good knowledge on that, and that's going to help you a lot. Okay. I'm trying to cover main parts of this, main important points from the project, so that you can understand roughly the outlines of this, the whole picture you can understand. Okay, to 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 make you a professional, or to make you something very strong in this area, we need more time. Okay, so step by step you can learn. Okay, but in this within 1 month, whatever we can do, definitely we will do, and we will get it. Okay, so guys, let's have a look at this. So do you have any questions in this PPT? Please let me know if you have. Okay, so this any questions in this schematic side view of the seat? Okay, any point is, any word is new to you, or any doubt in that torso angle, okay, torso line, the line which passes through the back of the occupant. Okay, design seat angle, or design torso angle and seat angle, the back angle, these both are same. Okay, what, why it is actual torso angle? Because always there will be difference. Okay, between the theoretical value, and the design, what you are going to design, will be a difference. Okay, that's the reason always there will be tolerances. Okay, so everywhere tolerance is given. That's a main reason. Okay, and why mannequin or Oscar is used, what is the purpose of 5%, 50%, 95%? Okay, these are very important. Please remember these things. Okay, different parts. Okay, head restraint, you are clear about that. Seat back, you are clear about that. Seat cushion, recliner, adapter plate, track assembly, height adjustment assembly, floor mounting brackets, and SBA bracket. Okay, so SBA bracket is nothing but seat belt anchorage bracket. And the other point, like the third point, is going to attach to this seat belt anchorage bracket, where that is also going to take a lot of load in case of any accident. Okay, you know what is HR? It's head restraint, seat back. Okay, cushion. We discussed about recliner. Okay, kinds of recliners, types of recliners, a single-sided recliner, dual-sided recliner. Okay, and these are the parts from recliner. And recliner, again, this is recliner is a core part. That means only mechanism department is going to modify this. We don't have rights to modify. In case if you want to do any modifications, definitely you have to approach mechanism department and say, hey guys, we have a different project which needs some modifications in a recliner part. Okay, so we request you can just launch a request or send a mail, and they will do it. Okay, so that's how it works. Okay, and recliner motion, how it works, what is design position. Okay, and what is forward position, and what is rearward position, and how important is recliner in this scenario. So to recline the seat and lock it in that particular position. Okay, so that we understood. Okay, and about the track movement. Okay, how we are going to move the track. We have a toggle bar. Okay, at the bottom of the seat, front bottom of the seat, and where you can just lift the toggle bar, which will unlock the track. Okay, and you can move it forward or backward. Okay, and this is a adapter plate. This is nothing but intermediate part which on the top, which connects it the cushion structure to the track. Okay, upper track, we can say upper track, because upper track is free and upper track is moving. So whole seat is moving on the upper track. So when it is locked, the upper track and the lower track will be locked, and when the towel bar is lifted up, then it's going to move freely. Okay, height adjuster we discussed about. Okay, and again, these are the floor mounting brackets. These are also very important parts in the seat. Okay, and you saw this full flat position also. Sometimes we can convert this second row seat completely flat. Okay, you can convert it into a complete flat seat, and then you can put some luggage on that. That's the reason complete second row seat, if you can observe in some cars that provision is available. Okay, the complete seat will be dumped inside the, we can say complete the inside the body. Okay, inside the floor, and then whole you can use it as a bed, or you can dump some luggage also there. Okay, okay guys, thank you. This is done. Let's look at the Catia V5 now. To give you some a glimpse of Catia V5. Let's start today. Okay. Okay, I'll close all these things. So not required. Let me close, and then we'll start it. So explain you. Okay. Okay, so what exactly is CATIA? Okay, I theoretically it is you can see CATIA stands for Computer Aided Three-Dimensional Interactive Application developed by Dassault Systems. Okay,
Sir, the screen stuck again.
stuck again.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll share again. Is that okay?